Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Eric Smith, and today we're going to do part 3 of the 1980s Savannah. Okay, we've got some bad news, unfortunately, for our Savannah model here. So under further inspection and reviewing with my bosses, we're going to have to not rebuild this. We find pretty extensive frame rust underneath the unit. A couple of the spots are very soft. So with the amount of work I wanted to do to it and the condition of the frame, unfortunately repairs would exceed the value of this fine unit. But before we do something else with it, I want to go ahead and show you all the cool features that this model has. Let's take a look inside. First, we'll take a look at the bathroom. So this unit has a tub in it. Underneath the tub, we also have extra storage space and space for access to the plumbing. We got a little rack system in here, and you can also use this area for porta potty. What's neat about this whole system is all these walls fold down. And I'll show you how everything collapses and stores for taking the camper down shortly. This unit has a lot of storage space in the cabinets. We have a wardrobe system here that actually folds down to the floor. This partition here moves out of the way. This system folds down for storage. There, we have our range, complete with oven. Of course, 3-way refrigerator. And lots of cabinet space in this model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cabinets and drawers. This system here alone. Thermostat controls right here, more cabinet space. Nice large work areas for meal preparation. So this type of counter space is a premium in most campers. This one has it. Nice big porcelain sink in this unit. We have a very old school water heater here in this model. This is all original, and our freshwater holding tank is here. And this, of course, is the dinette area. Dinette cushions would be here in the backrest, and the table, which we have outside currently, would go in this area. We also have the original converter still in this unit. This camper has a curtain track system that I had not seen yet before. This is stands off far for the valances or extra privacy curtains. Of course, we have the original lighting in here, original roof brace. More lighting in the back, more lighting above the sink area, and here towards the front of the camper. We also can see we have water damage from the 9-inch roof vent from where that leaked. Here on our table, we have another cabinet system that was designed to hang over top of the kitchen area, giving you more storage space. Here's the controls for our refrigerator and for our water heater. Even though we're not going to be rebuilding this camper now, we can still find a lot of purpose in it, and we'll use it for some more instructional and training videos for everybody. So let me go ahead and show you how this thing folds down as well. It transforms in very cool ways to allow you to lower the camper. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, that clears the way for the sink faucet as this wall comes down. Next, I'm going to lower this back wall. There's a slide bracket. Then this partition comes down. I'm going to leave this door set in this position because this offers stability when this system comes down. So there's small little rooster catches and latches here. I'm going to undo them. And lower this partition over top of the sink. All right, now that we have those two walls down, we have to put the screen door in stored position. And now allow this partition to fold down. Oh, one more step. The hanging pantry that goes above the sink, we'll put that in this area as well. And it's that easy. And that's going to do it for this video, folks. Please subscribe to the channel, mash that notification bell to be alerted when more content is available. And I will see you guys at the campground.